Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to share 10 life-changing makeup hacks you might not know about it. If you guys new to my channel, please subscribe and I post daily videos full of helpful tips and tricks. Let's get started. So guys, our first hack is I am using a silicone based primer. This one is from Maybelline and this is a pore diffusing primer. A silicone primer helps fill in pores and fine lines, hydrates the skin, reduces redness and makes your makeup last longer. It's great for blurring imperfections and controlling shine. If you want a flawless base, definitely try a silicone primer. So guys, after primer, always cover your dark spots or acne with concealer before foundation. I am using LA Girl Pro Concealer. Apply the concealer in dots and gently dab it with your finger or with concealer or foundation brush, but in the dabbing motions. Don't rub it, otherwise concealer will move off from the spots. After that, apply your foundation and then go back in with a bit more concealer for extra coverage if needed. So guys, for next hack, I am using a green color corrector under my eyes. Don't worry, I am just trying to show you the color theory. You might think green covers dark circles, but it doesn't work well for me. It can make the area look dusty. So guys, instead of this, I will use a lip balm on my under eye area first, and then I use a peach toned corrector which works perfectly for my dark circles. And I will apply this peach toned corrector with my finger and gently dab it. And then I apply a concealer on the top of it. Then I will leave it for 2 to 3 minutes. Then I will blend it with my small beauty blender. So you can see how well it covers the dark circles. So guys, for this hack I mixed two foundation. One is NARS and other one is Simply Ageless foundation by CoverGirl, and I am applying it with foundation brush. Please don't rub or drag the brush. Always apply foundation in dabbing motion, as you can see in the video I am applying. So guys, as you can see, I have pimples on the same side where I applied foundation. Still, this foundation trick covers my pimples very nicely. Always keep in mind, when you are applying foundation, after covering dark circles, don't apply foundation on dark circle area. So guys, if you don't have eyebrow gel, you don't need to worry. You can use hair setting spray on a puri brush to set your brows. It works really well and gave them a nice defined shape, as you can see the difference in the video. For making your own DIY eyeliners, you need two things: a setting spray and an eyeshadow palette. Just add a drop of setting spray to your eyeshadow, mix it with an eyeliner brush and apply. It's a great way to get a custom eyeliner shade, and you can see the pigment of the shade is very good and it apply very nicely on your eyes. So guys, if you are in hurry and don't have blush, use your lipstick as blush. It works perfectly, especially if you want your blush to match your lip color. It's a quick and easy way to add some color to your face. I bought this eyebrow gel from Shein for about $3 to $4, and here is a cool hack. You can use it to apply glitter to your eyelids. Just apply the gel with a brush and quickly add a glitter before it dries. It acts like glitter glue, so you don't need to buy a separate product. You can use any powder glitters for this hack. So guys, if your eyeliner is a little messy, clean it up with concealer. Use an angled brush with a bit of concealer to clean up the edges. Then set it with a small amount of powder to prevent creasing. You can see how nicely it gives a shape to your eyeliner. To make your lipstick transfer proof, apply your lipstick. I am using a lip crayon by Maybelline. Then take a tissue and split it into layers. Place one layer on your lips and dab some loose powder on top with a brush. This trick makes your lipstick last longer and keeps it from transferring. So guys, as you can see, one side of my face has makeup using these hacks and the other side is without makeup. The difference is amazing, right? I hope you found these hacks helpful, and if you did, give this video a big thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you would like to see more videos like this. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on TikTok and Instagram. Thanks for watching guys. I will see you in the next one. Bye.